A 911 caller follows a swerving Mercedes through a parking lot. Officers are en route. What happens before they arrive, captured on dashcam, will hand prosecutors everything they need.
Van, or what was it?
It's a SUV. It's an ML350. And we're making an illegal left-hand turn here. He's pulling into a parking... No, he's not. He's still driving. He's probably seeing if I'm following him. We're passing Chico's again. We just made a loop around. And they just came to a stop. And
in front of what business?
Chico's. He's just sitting there. He's got his...
And that's a nail place, right?
No, it's a clothing place.
Clothing store.
Yep. And now he's trying to back up. Don't fucking hit me, motherfucker! You just hit me.
The complainant.
And now they're driving away.
No, he did hit him. It's a signal 4 now.
He hit me and he's trying to drive away. So now we're stopped here by the side of Panera Bread and Lychee.
Okay. Can you repeat the tag one more time since you're behind him right now? Because it did not come back.
Apple. Popo just pulled up. Never mind. There we go. There we go. Looks like they're going to try to run. They're running. Hold on. They're running. Nope, not yet.
Okay. Try and give me the tag before anything else happens.
Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car.
I heard you the first time.
Get out, please.
Oh my God.
Sure, Michigan tag on the Mercedes.
Oh no.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park. How do you put the car in park?
Oh really?
How do you put the car in park?
That's it.
All right, get out of the car for me. Stand over here. Stand back here. You do realize you just hit a car, right? Are you okay?
No.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm trying to get my mom's food back to her place.
Okay.
Oh my God. Okay.
Where does she live?
Just over there.
Give me an address.
Can I sit down for a second?
You're fine here.
No, you got me like...
No,
Okay,
you're not going back in the car.
I mean, we see that you have an open container in the car.
You show signs of impairment, so...
No.
We got a call about you swerving out of your lane of travel, almost hitting cars, and then this vehicle here, you backed into it. What's with that?
Oh my God. Please, God, don't do this to me.
Well, I'm not God, but...
I know you're not God, but my mom is 82 years old, and I'm trying to just, like, enjoy my life with her.
I understand that, but...
Are you over by the Publix or by...
Oh, God.
We are on the north side of Panera.
How
This
many...
officer is talking to you.
How many of those Trulies have you had?
One.
Just one.
One. Yeah. Please,
Okay.
God.
Have you had anything else?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Oh my God. Please.
Do you take any sort of medications?
I have, no. It's like non-existent. It's like a GERD thing, so it's no big deal.
Do you have anything else wrong with you as far as medical history goes? Any surgeries you've ever had? Disabilities? No?
Please, I can't have this happen.
Right.
Oh my God. Look at this. This is crazy. Why do we have so many cop
Can we
cars?
check to make sure you don't have any damage to your car?
I'm fine.
Well, I want to check to make sure there's no damage.
No, I'm good.
Well, you don't call the shots here, okay? I'm just trying to be nice.
No, I don't have any, I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Well, like I said,
I gotta go home to my mom.
Can you listen to me? We got a call about you driving erratic. People were concerned because you almost hit other vehicles. on top of that, you pulled into here, and then you started backing up, hitting that Jeep right there.
Well, because it was a one-way street. That's why.
So why would you be backing up?
Because it was a one-way street. I'm like, I have to do something different.
This
That's
isn't
why.
a one-way street. You can have two vehicles through here.
Oh my God. I can't have this happen. My
Alright.
mom is 82 years
Do
old.
not reach over to me.
No, my mom is 82 years old. I can't have this happen, please.
Okay, ma'am, that is besides the point. I mean, you literally just hit a car and you have
I did not
alcohol in your
hit-
vehicle.
I did not hit a car.
You
All right.
did. We're telling you that you did.
Well, to dispel any of that suspicion of you not being able to use your motor vehicle, I'm going to do some field sobriety exercises on you, okay?
No.
No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Do not walk away from me.
I have to call my mom.
Well, you can call her afterwards.
No, I
Okay?
have to call my mom.
You can call her afterwards.
Please. I have to call my mom.
Not right now. I will give you the opportunity to call her, but right now we're having
No, no.
we're talking to you, okay?
No.
Lisa has now refused field sobriety exercises multiple times. Under Florida's Implied Consent Law, Section 316, 1932, every driver in this state has already consented to sobriety testing the moment they accept the privilege of driving. Refusal does not end the investigation. It triggers an automatic 1-year license suspension, and that refusal is admissible in court as evidence of guilt.
What is it that you need?
I just want to get in and call my mom.
You're not calling your mom right now, like we've told you 3 times.
Please do. Maybe just speak to
You can call your mom in a little bit.
This cannot happen. No, this cannot happen. My mom is 82 years old. I'm here to celebrate her life.
Okay. Do you realize what's happening right now?
Yes, I
You
do.
have to deal with this before you can talk to your mom. You have hit a vehicle and you
I
have
didn't hit a
alcohol
vehicle.
in your car.
I did not hit a
Okay,
vehicle.
it's not up for discussion. You
Hold
did
on.
hit a vehicle is what we're telling
So
you.
wait a second. Whose vehicle did I hit?
I believe that white Jeep right
that's right there.
I
And you can't deny it because I literally pulled up and I saw you backing up, and then as soon as I turned my lights on, you started driving off, and then I had to tell you to stop, and you almost didn't stop.
want to see it. Please.
Okay, you can see it because my
Yeah,
camera
I would like to
captured
see
it all.
Please. Yeah.
But you're not seeing it right now. Right now, what I want to do is some field sobriety exercises on you. Now, if you deny that, I'm gonna have to base all of the circumstances up to this point right now to decide what I want to do. So I'm giving you that opportunity to dispel. No, don't
Who is the
don't
man
look.
in the Rubicon? Is he there?
Yeah, that's
he's
the
there.
vehicle that you hit.
Yes.
How did I hit him? Can I talk to him?
No,
Why can't I?
because you're talking to me.
Why can't I talk
Because
to
you're
him?
talking to me.
I can talk to him.
Okay,
I have my
whenever I
rights to talk
decide.
to him.
Whenever I decide.
I have my rights to talk to him. I do.
Okay.
I know my rights. I can talk
That's
to him.
great. We're doing a DUI
I
investigation
know.
right now.
No.
Yeah, we
I
are.
know that I can talk to him.
Yeah, whenever I give you the opportunity to.
No.
As of right now, we're doing a DUI. Listen to me.
No. You are wrong.
I'm
I
not.
can talk to him.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Will you be doing these field sobriety exercises for me?
Can I talk to him?
Will you be doing these field
Can I
sobriety?
talk to him?
Will you be doing these?
Can I talk to him?
No.
Am I allowed to talk
No.
to him? Why not? Why not?
Because we are doing a DUI investigation.
No, I can talk to him.
Okay, we need you to answer a question
No,
first.
I am not.
If you're not answering this question, I'm going to take it as a refusal that you do not want to take these sobriety exercises.
Oh, don't do that.
I will.
No.
I will.
No,
and
no,
everything
no.
is captured on camera, so I don't care what you
Okay.
say.
Okay, ma'am, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises? That's what we need to
I
know.
want to talk to him.
You will. You will
We
have the
understand
opportunity,
that.
but not right now.
I want to talk to him.
Okay.
I do want to talk to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Why can't I talk to him?
1042.
Just call me
You
Lisa.
can talk to
Call
him.
me Lisa,
Okay,
please.
Lisa, can you listen to me for a second? We need you to answer a simple question.
Officers are not required to let Lisa walk away. The Supreme Court established in Terry v. Ohio that a lawful investigative detention may continue for as long as reasonably necessary to complete the investigation. Lisa does not control when this encounter ends. The officers do.
I want to talk to him.
Okay.
The person. Oh my God. Oh, I know him. Interesting. Okay.
Okay. Are you willing to provide these field sobriety exercises? Yes or no? Lisa, yes or no?
Why can't I talk to him?
Like I said, answer this question, and
Why
then
can't I talk to him?
answer this question, and then we'll continue with that.
Why can't I talk to him?
Because as of right now, I am talking to you.
Like we said, we'll handle that in a second, but we need you to answer a question before we can move forward.
Go ahead. Ask me the question again. I want to talk to him because I know him.
I need you to pay attention then, okay?
Yeah.
Are you willing to provide field sobriety exercises at this time? No?
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Okay. All right, turn around. Hands behind your back.
No.
Do not
Don't
resist.
resist.
Do not resist.
No.
Do not resist.
No, please. No.
Nope.
Don't resist.
So hold on. Wait a second. Can you please hold us? Can you hold on a second, please?
15 or secured?
Please, can
Secured
you hold
for
on
now.
a second? No.
Stop moving. We're trying to lock the cuffs so they don't get
Can you
tighter.
hold on a second, please?
You gotta wait a second.
No.
We'll put her in my car for now.
No.
Ma'am?
No. You cannot do this, please. No.
Yeah, that's not for he's secured right now.
Can you hold on a second, please?
Have a seat.
No.
You sure she doesn't have anything on her?
Can you hold on a second, please?
All right, have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
No.
Okay, you don't really have a choice, so take a seat, or we're gonna have you take a seat.
Hold on. Can I ask you a question?
Lisa is in handcuffs. Officers had reasonable suspicion from the first 911 call, probable cause from the open container and the at-scene collision, and a lawful arrest supported by 8 minutes of documented refusal. Under Graham versus Connor, the force applied here was objectively reasonable, given Lisa's active resistance. Lisa was charged with driving under the influence, resisting an officer without violence, and reckless driving. The prosecutor declined to pursue the resisting and reckless driving counts. Lisa pleaded no contest to the DUI, the legal equivalent of a guilty plea without formally admitting wrongdoing. The court sentenced Lisa to 30 days in jail with credit for time served, 12 months of probation, a 6-month driver's license suspension, mandatory DUI school, community service, and substance abuse testing and treatment. The officers receive a B+, a sound investigation, proportional force, and notable patience. The only gap, no formal implied consent advisement on camera early in the stop. Lisa receives a C. Refusing the field sobriety exercises cost her a year of driving privileges and gave the prosecution admissible evidence. Every decision she made on scene worsened a position that could have been contested in court. 3 things every driver should remember. 1. An open container is enough to open a DUI investigation, regardless of whether you have been drinking. 2. Refusing sobriety testing under implied consent law does not protect you. It costs your license and becomes evidence against you. 3. If you believe an officer is wrong, the place to fight that is in a courtroom, not on the pavement. Compliance in the moment preserves every legal option you have. Resistance on camera closes them. Thank you for watching. Let us know in the comments if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover next.